Morning students, today we are going to study the topic economic growth and economic development. Dear students, both the terms are used very commonly. People think that both the terms are the same. In substitution of each word, people used one another. But in economics, these two terms are different. Economic growth is something which is related to only increase in one particular thing. But economic development means the growing of not only one particular thing, there are many more, which we are going to discuss in detail in this lecture. So first, we will be discussing what is economic growth. Economic growth means increase in per capita income. Increase in the income of per capita means per person income. If the total income of any country is increasing and population remains the same, it will be called per capita income is increasing. But even if the population surpasses the income of the country, then it will not be called increase in the per capita income or economic growth. Here in writer says economic growth generally means an increase in the national income or per capita income of any of the country. It indicates the quantitative growth of any country. In quantity, if there is quantity means in the production of goods and services, if there is an increase, then it is considered as the economic growth of any of the country. But there should not be increase in the population. And even if the population is increasing, the income of the country should increase more than the population. Means here it can be cleared with one example. Suppose the income of any country is rupees 1 lakh and there is a population of 100. Per capita income will be around rupees 1000. And suppose the population increases by 10%, it becomes, and per capita income reaches to 2 lakhs, then almost almost 1800 rupees it will be per capita income. So this will be called economic growth of any country. And only if the population increases, then there will be no increase in the per capita income and it will not be considered as economic growth. Again, the writer says more appropriate definition of economic growth in the term of rise in per capita income. Not only the per capita income must increase in real terms. For instance, if per capita income in money terms rises by 20% and supposing price level also increases by 20%, real per capita income remain unchanged. Means if there is an increase in the per capita income by 20% and even the price rises by 20%, there will be no change. Suppose we are buying something at rupees 100. Per capita income is rupees 1000. Suppose the price of the goods increases by 20% and it reaches to 120, and even if the income also increases by 20% and it reaches to 1200, the ratio will remain the same. It will means there will be no economic growth. Per capita income will not rise at all. So there are three notable points which clears that what economic growth is all about. First, economic growth means an increase in per capita income, which is a measure of the per capita availability of goods and services. Second, rise in per capita income in real terms would mean economic growth. And third, rise in per capita income over time. So here this topic of economic growth ends. Next is economic development. It is a term which is quite wider than economic growth. It is a term which tells that there should be qualitative increase in the economy of any country. Not only per capita income should rise, even there should be reduction in the poverty. There should be reduction in income inequality, and even unemployment should reduce. So three more things are also required, means there should be qualitative development in the economy of any country. That is called economic development. Now what the writers are saying, that unlike economic growth, the term economic development signifies qualitative aspects of economic progress of any country. Economists have defined economic development differently depending upon the aspect of development they want to focus. Like few are focusing on distribution of income, few are focusing on incidence of poverty, and few are targeting unemployment, depending upon their view. Now, if we talk about the difference between economic growth and economic development, there are 3 points which are considered as the basis for difference. First is concept. This economic development is a quite wider concept, though economic growth is a narrow concept, because it talks about only per capita income, but economic development talks about not only per capita income, even in the reduction of poverty, reduction of unemployment, and reduction of inequalities of income. Now second, on the basis of rise in income. Economic growth involves rise in income, but economic development on the other hand, not only rise in income involves, but also reduction in poverty. So rise in income. So rise in income is one of the concept or one of the points of economic growth, but economic development is much more than rise in income. Again, poverty, inequality of income, unemployment, all 3 points are considered. Last basis is economic growth does not indicate economic development. Means economic growth does not mean economic development. But economic development means definitely economic growth. So here this topic ends. At last I would give you a very crude example, a very live example, which we can say when a child grows, People say his growing stage is going, means he is growing. Growing means his age is increasing, maybe he is becoming taller. But if we say a child is developing, he is not growing physically, he is growing mentally also, he is growing in all round aspect. All round development is taking place, that is called development. So development means a very big term, and growth is considered a very small or a very particular term. So this topic is ended. In our next lecture we will be discussing next unit. Till then, thank you, goodbye.